I'm seeing that you will be receiving here clarity over a situation, okay? But for some reason, nakikita ko dito, ito kasi may child, oh. Nakita mo dyan, okay? Pero wala tayong age sa tarot, 'di ba? Wala tayong edad sa tarot. And I do see, actually kasi, di ba may child dito, pero ang nakikita ko sa aking mindset is an old guy or an old woman, okay? Like, yung old na kulubot na yung skin, with wrinkles, no? Yung matatawag mo na talaga na parang, um, may ano na, no? Nagkakaedad na, may edad na, no? But here, I'm seeing a child. I do see that there is some kind of clarity that you will receive, no? Parang pagkaliwanagan sa isang bagay, no? And let us all find out what is this all about. Yes, the universe has a beautiful message for you. We've got two major arcanas already, Temperance and the Sun. So I do see that with that Temperance energy, no, meron ditong gustong ipaintindi sa'yo si universe. Most likely, ang pinaka nakikita ko dito is meron kayong bagay na hindi nakikita. Moon card energy. Ang laki ng moon dito, no? And look at the face of the moon. This is not a lonely moon, isn't it? Look at the eyebrows. Parang buringot, no? Bugnot, mga ganyan. Or parang in-bear na. No? I think you will receive here some kind of clarity sa sitwasyon mo. Whoever I'm picking up today, just take how this resonates. Pwede rin kasi itong yung kumukunik sa inyo. Let's see. Mm. Yeah, may kinalaman talaga to sa new beginning ninyo. May gustong i-reveal dito sa universe. At ang laki ng new beginning dito. Tingnan mo naman yan. This is the hand of the universe right here. Okay? And this is a clean slate. Itong malawak na lupain. At nakikita ko rito na maybe this is you. You want something here na new beginning or makapagsimula muli sa iyong life. No? But you need to be aware of something. And let us all find out kung ano yun. Yeah, I keep on seeing an old guy. Okay? Could possibly be an old woman, diba? But, okay, let's take how this resonates. Oh, okay. So just take only what resonates mga babes, no? So whoever it is that I'm picking up today, yan, no? So wala tayong gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT, at lahat kayo mga babes, no? Pwede ninyong i-flip yung roles if you want. But I'm seeing someone here, okay? Having a lot of regret, okay? Pero nahihirapan naman siyang parang sisihin yung sarili niya, no? Or parang nahihirapan siya ritong tanggapin, no, na may mga bagay na lumampas, no, or pinalampas niya. You know, life is a matter of choices. There are a lot of choices every day, but human beings tend to not see all of those choices right here. Okay? So before we start this reading, okay, just take only what resonates and let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. And of course, no, kung interested kayo mga babes na tumambay din sa ating other channel, ang link is down below sa ating description box. So yun nga, no, mga babes, I'm seeing right here, 7 of Cups energy. Nine of Wands. So, meron dito mga babes, alam nyo kasi, hindi tayo tumatanda ng paurong or hindi tayo tumatanda ng paatras, no? Nagbabago, no, yung ating itsura, yung ating balat, no? So, nagbabago kasi lumilipas yung oras at panahon, no? Life is a matter of choice, 'di ba? Araw-araw may choice ka, no, pati sa pagkain, ano ba yung gusto mong kainin, 'di ba? Diyan sa ulam sa kantin, 'di ba? Pwede ka namang mamili alin ba diyan ang gusto mong kainin for today, 'di ba? At meron ka ring choices every time na bibili ka, no? So, dito nakita ko na walang ibang dapat na maging responsable sa mga desisyon na gagawin sa kanilang buhay. Walang iba kundi ikaw. Okay? Tayo ang may desisyon sa gagawin natin sa buhay natin. Here, I'm seeing someone here na nagkakaroon rito ng panghihinayang with their life. Okay? At ito na, naglalabasan na yung kino-compare na nila yung sarili nila with other people. And I don't want you to experience that because for a lot of you, this is something here na hindi pa nangyayari. So I want you to reflect on this one and I want you to listen on this one. I'm seeing kasi someone here, okay, doesn't mean that this is you. Pwede rin naman na someone connecting to you, but if this is you, you might want to listen because this is something here also important. So I do see someone here na, example, there are choices here. No, Seven of Cups energy right here, Nine of Wands. Okay? Three of Wands right here. I do see that this someone na nakuha natin, no, na energies, ay may mga opportunities sa work na ipinakita at inihain ni universe sa kanya. Okay? Pero, it all ended up na ginagrab niya nga yung mga opportunities na yun, pero yung energy is lagi niya itong iniiwanan. This person here is always whining, nagrereklamo, no? Wala pang isang taon, no? Ayaw na, nagre-resign na, ganun ng ganun. Paulit na paulit yung cycle na yung Wheel of Fortune. If this is a work-related thing, hindi nagkakaroon ng pag-usad. Eh, kasi lagi nagre-resign, lagi umaalis. Konting nahihirapan, alis. Mapagalitan ng boss, alis. May hindi nagustuhan ng konti sa trabaho, alis. Okay? I'm not saying that you should stay there, no? Kasi nahihirapan kayo. But I want you to say, nakagaya sa school, paano ba natin magagamay ang lahat? Tingin mo ba nung pinasok ka ng nanay mo sa school, alam mo na agad kung paano magbasa? English agad? Kailangan mo munang aralin paano ginagawa yung bagay na yun. Kagaya sa school, the teacher will teach a student how to write the letters first, how to write the lines first. Okay? So, lahat yun inaaral, natututunan. Sa work, konting mahirapan lang, alis na agad. Bago ka pumasok dyan sa company na yan, 'di ba? Alam mo na ba agad kung ano yung gagawin mo dyan? Alam mo na ba agad kung ano yung job description mo, yung particular na gagawin mo everyday? Hindi pa, 'di ba? Kaya nga merong magte-turnover ng work sa'yo. Umpisa pa lang, wala pa nga ikaw sa probationary. Ang dami mo na agad na wino-whine. Nagrereklamo ka na, kakainis yung boss ko. Blah, 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 blah. And whoever I'm picking up on this reading, this individual keeps on quitting. Okay? Alam mo mga babes, if you will not go out sa inyong comfort zone, you will always receive what you always had. Anong ibig sabihin nun? If you do not go out from your comfort zone and exert your effort, you will not receive yung pinakagusto mong mangyari sa life mo. Because if you only do the same thing, and if you only stay the same, what will you get? You will still get the same. Diba? It also applies in love. Kumain na yung oras, iba sa inyo, love naman to, no? Kumain na yung oras dito, no? And then, you keep on waiting and waiting for that person. Possibly your ex, for example. You think someone new will come? No. Because if you keep on doing the same thing, reminiscing that past, waiting for that ex from long time ago, waiting for someone to come, you want new love, but you keep on waiting for that past person, or you keep on holding to that grudge, that damuhong, iniwan ako noon, na talaga yung hiya. Yan, no? What will you receive? It's the same. Someone will come into your life, hindi mo kilala yung pangalan, pero with the wheel of fortune right here, that person will repeat the cycle of your ex. That person will do the same thing that your ex did. Why? Because you still hold on to that grudge. You still have that anger sa ex mo. And then you want new love? If you want someone new, or if you want something new in your life, kailangan mo bitiwan yung mga luma. Kailangan mong i-release yung mga luma. 'Di ba? Ganun yun. So here nakikita ko rito 'no, ayoko kasing mangyari 'to sa inyo, uupo na lang kayo sa isang sulok and then kasi I'm seeing you know, kanina pa 'no, while doing this reading 'no, actually while shuffling 'di ba, I saw, an old woman, iba sa inyo puwedeng old guy, ito kasi wala tayong energy 'di ba, energy lang naman ito, wala tayo ritong gender. But that old guy or old woman to others of you is a representation of someone na posibleng nasa 50s and up na, no? And they have this thinking like, alam mo yun, nagpipilatik, no? Pilatik pa tawag doon. Gaganon. Yan, no? Yung mga ganong sinyalis, yung, ay, anong tawag dyan? 'Di ba? Yan yung may mga regret at panghihinayang sa life nila. Pero they're not realizing that all of those things na nangyayari sa buhay niya ay walang ibang may kagagawa nun kundi siya din. Kasi hinayaan niya palampasin dito yung mga oportunidad at pinili niya na paulit-ulit yung mga lumang oportunidad. Konting mahirapan, alis. Konting away, alis. Kung nagpapat kung nagtatrabaho ka sa isang kumpanya, tingin mo lahat ng mga energy diyan makakasundo mo? Hindi siyempre, 'di ba? Kahit anong trabaho yung gawin mo, pero mag-focus ka sa sarili mong goal, 'di ba? Meron lang hater sa'yo diyan, ayaw sa'yo diyan ng kumpanya niya, alis ka agad. Paano yung goal mo? Laging gano'n ng gano'n. Nakakainis yung boss ko, eh, 'pag lumipat ka ng kumpanya susunod naiinis ka rin sa susunod mong boss dito, naubos na yung oras mo. Hindi mo nagagawa yung goal mo, and you only have one life. So I'm seeing someone here wasting his or her time. Looking back, Three of Wands energy, Six of Cups. Always looking back sa kanyang past. And for a lot of you, hindi pa 'to nangyayari. That's why, sinasabi ko sa inyo, do not waste your time. It might be challenging right now, but it does not mean that you need to waste your time. Ano, susuko ka na lang? Ano porket may ayaw sa'yo diyan sa trabaho na 'yan, hihinto ka, aalis ka? Loser ka ba? 'Di ba? Don't lose your opportunity to something that's nonsense. Your dreams are bigger, 'di ba? So keep on pushing. In life, makaka-encounter tayo ng mga bagay na ayaw natin, 'di ba? It's like a game. Tingin mo lalaruin mo yung game kung walang challenge? It's not exciting. Example, Candy Crush, 'di ba? Habang tumataas yung level, humihirap yung level, dapat mas lalo kang magpursige. Hindi yung susuko ka na lang 'no, i-a-uninstall mo ta's magkakabit ka ng panibagong game. Tingin mo yung game na ikakabit mo wala ring challenge. In life, in order for you to succeed, you have to show your best effort, sweetheart, 'di ba? In career, in job, in business, in love life. If you keep on holding to the same thing, you will always receive the same thing. Different faces, different pero same yung tadhana, ganun ang ganun. Because that is what you're entertaining. Trying to entertain here something that is out of your boundaries. And you will see, diba? You want something bigger here, you have big plans, you have big target goals in life. But you keep on quitting. You keep on, ay, pambihira, life is so difficult, life is so hard. Ayoko na makipag-deal dito sa boss ko na 'to, ayoko makipag-deal dito sa client na ito, ayoko makipag-deal dito sa then what? 'Di ba? You think those people may kanya-kanya rin yang pinagdadaanan but they tend to survive? Ayaw mo bang makuha yung bagay na gusto mo? Ayokong makaupo ka lang diyan ng hindi mo nagagawa yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Kung gusto mo ng pagbabago, kailangan mong gumawa ng malaking pagbabago. Do something na hindi mo ginagawa na usual mong ginagawa. Gumawa ka ng bagay na hindi usual para sa'yo. Do something extraordinary. Show your effort. Eh? Because there's a celebration in there, oh. Miss yan, paano yan? Wala tayong age dito. Miss yan, paano yan? Magsi-60 na ako, magsi-70 na ako. Meron pa bang oras para gawin ko yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin? Yes. The moment na magising ka, na ito yung bagay na kailangan mo, even though you are 70, it doesn't matter. You can still have the celebration. The celebration is an indication of your winning sa iyong mga target goals na makukuha mo. Yes, I'm still seeing you celebrating. Yung iba sa inyo rito, no, nasa 30s pa kayo, 40s pa kayo, no, pero nakikita ko na posible maging ganito yung energy niyo din. Stop this from happening. Stop quitting. Stop wasting your time quitting. Stop paying attention with other people. I do not want you to sit there alone, thinking and comparing your life. Dapat pala, I should have done better. Nung malakas pa ako, nung kaya ko pa. In Tarot, we do not have any age. Kalendaryo, what? Hanggang 31 lang, what? Bingo card, hanggang 75, what? Do not, okay? Huwag kayong magpadala sa sinasabi ng iba, no? Eh, yun ako sa kalendaryo, wala ka na sa kalendaryo, kailangan pakasal ka na. What? Are they holding their, meron ba silang parang hawak na manibela sa buhay mo? Wala, di ba? Oh, 75 ka na. Wala ka na sa bingo card, malapit ka na mawala sa bingo card. Wala ka na ring karapatan na abutin yung mga pangarap mo. What? Who the heck ang nagsabi nun? Life is a matter of choices, and that is your life. So, ikaw lang may karapatan magsabi. Diba? Ikaw lang yung may say sa buhay mo. Isipin mo, inis na inis ka nung high school ka. Diba hanggang nung nag-college ka, tumat na to. Pati square root of ano, ang dami pang point, 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 point. Hindi natatapos, no? Sa calcu nga, pagka nag-calcu ka yan, ang daming numero, 188.00000. Diba? Dun ka magbase, hindi natatapos yung numero. Tingin mo ba pag sinimulan mo sa 1 times 1 equals, diba? Dire-diretso na yun eh. 1 billion times 1, 1 billion 1, diba? Ang haba nun, you have still time. Basta magising ka rito. Pag mahirap, huwag ka mag-quit agad. Isipin mo yung goal mo. Worth it pag nakuha mo yun, di ba? Mas worth it kapag ka may challenge. Okay? So, huwag mo nang isipin yung ganyan. Do not blame other people. Kasi yung boss ko nakaka-visit, kaya ako resign ng resign. Yan. Mag-focus ka sa pag-iipon, mag-focus ka sa goal mo, no? Huwag mo isipin yung ibang tao, no? Maganda na wala kang pakialam sa kanila. Mas may pakialam ka dapat sa buhay mo. Kasi yung mga tao na yan, may sarili-sarili rin yung buhay. Kaya nga, nauso yung mind your own business, di ba? Ngayon, kung binamind ka nila, no, then sila yung nagwe-waste ng time sa'yo. Ngayon, i-waste mo yung time mo sa kanila, dahil ayaw mo sa kanila, dahil ganyan yung sinasabi nila sa'yo, aalis ka na agad. Kailangan mo sumbay sa life. Kung patuloy kang aalis ng aalis, at patuloy rito na magkakaroon ng limit sa age, paano na? Do not waste your time. You still have lots of time. Yes, even though, yung iba sa inyo, mag-reach pa kayo ng 70, whatever. Kung 70 years old ka nagising, you still have time. Kapag nagigising ka sa umaga, then God tapped your shoulder, then it's always a new beginning for you. Diba? You need to change your mindset. You need to change how you see, your life. Do not get bothered. Nag-aaway yung kapitbahay and then this is you. Kakabusit naman yung kapitbahay na yan, no? Ano yung tawag doon? Diba? Nakikialam ka na naman sa kanila. Yan. Alam mo yung kapitbahay na yan? Yeah, diba mga ganyan, no? Alam mo yung boss ko na yan? Mga ganyan. Stop whining, stop acting here sa life mo. And you're gonna see na magbabago nang naayon sa gusto mo talaga ang buhay mo. Because if you keep on paying attention to other people's lives, then nasasayang yung oras mo. Kasi doon ka nagpe-pay attention sa buhay nila. Buhay nila yun eh. Diba? So, dito gusto ko mag-pay attention ka sa buhay mo because I do not want you to sit over there and then think na, ay, kumukulubot na yung skin ko, ay, may wrinkles na ako, ay, ang puti na ng hair ko, wala na akong time. No, ayoko mag-feel hopeless ka about something. Ayoko mag-look back ka sa life na punong-puno ka rito ng regret. Okay? Ayoko. No, you always have here time to win. No? So I think this is an awakening moment here for you guys. Yeah, I might sound like your mother here, okay? But this is what I want you to do, to act maturely. Okay? Alam mo yung pagiging mature, wala sa edad yun eh. Nasa mindset. Okay? Focus on your own life. Okay? Do not focus with other people. Yaman mo sila. Hindi yan mawawala sa paligid mo. May mga tao talagang ganyan. But you need to focus. It's like a game. Kailangan huwag ka magpatalo. Always end up winning. You're not a loser. Okay? So, ito yung mga mensaheng nakuha natin here for you guys. Thank you so much and sarang hail, love, and light. Annyeong.